Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to move taskbar from top to bottom or from center to left. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at our button search bar and here, please search on settings. You can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard and by that you would be able to bring up the settings. Once done, please proceed on clicking on Open. Okay, so once you have seen the settings window, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see there a list of the options. Here you need to locate for personalization. So under the personalization tab, this is a setting where you can see your taskbar. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate for it. So I can see it here being placed next to start, tap on it. And the moment you've tapped on it, you need to proceed with taskbar behaviors, which contains the alignment, debugging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. So I can see it here. Now please click on this down arrow to see more of this. So you can see there taskbar alignment. All you need to do is you need to navigate to this option aligning to it. Now click on this down arrow and there you can see tapped bottom, left, and center. So Windows 11 has new feature. They delete or they remove the option which is top bottom and they only have left center. But if you're using a Windows 10 PC or laptop, you can see there an option top and bottom, left and center. Okay? You don't have, I mean, you might not have this left and center, especially if you're using Windows 10. But if you're using Windows 11, you only have these two options, which are left and center, like mine. But again, as what I have said earlier, if you're using Windows 10 PC or laptop, you have an option here, which is top and bottom. So if your taskbar is being located at the top, you can select on bottom and it will be placed here at the bottom. And if you're using a Windows 11 PC like mine, you can place it under the center and it will be placed here at the center. And if you'd love to move it here at the left, you would be able to move your taskbar here at the left. So in this way, you have just successfully moved the taskbar from the top to the bottom or from the center to the left. Okay? So that's it. That's how easy to move the taskbar location. So in my case, I'll prefer to move that into center since it's very easy to access if I'm placing it to the center. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.